Have you ever gazed at the moon and wondered, how did it come to be? It's a question that has puzzled humanity for millennia, a celestial enigma that continues to captivate us. This gleaming orb, our closest cosmic companion, remains a fascinating mystery, one we've sought to unravel through a myriad of theories and hypotheses. In our quest to understand the moon's origin, we've traversed a landscape of ideas as varied and vast as the moon's cratered surface itself. The early theories, now largely discarded, were a testament to human ingenuity, albeit limited by the scientific understanding of the time. Consider the fission theory, proposed in the 19th century, which suggested that the moon had once been a part of the Earth, spun off into space by our planet's rapid rotation. Or the sister theory, envisioning the Earth and Moon forming together from the primordial solar nebula, like cosmic siblings. There was also the capture theory, proposing that the Moon, a wandering celestial body, was snagged by Earth's gravitational pull, becoming our permanent satellite. These theories, while imaginative, struggled to account for the Moon's size, its composition, and its peculiar orbit. As our understanding of the universe expanded, so did our theories about the Moon's formation. We began to consider catastrophic events, monumental collisions, and the violent birth of celestial bodies. But despite our best efforts, the Moon's origin story remained tantalizingly out of reach. The Moon, our silent sentinel, reflects the sun's light onto our world, yet keeps its own secrets closely guarded. Its presence is a constant, a silver disk hanging in our night sky, a source of wonder, inspiration, and endless speculation. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos, a symbol of the unknown and a testament to the unquenchable human curiosity. While the moon hangs silently in our night sky, its formation remains a fascinating mystery. The prevailing theory of the moon's formation takes us back 4.5 billion years ago. Imagine our youthful planet, brimming with the raw energy of its fiery birth, sharing its celestial neighborhood with another body, a planetoid about the size of Mars. This celestial neighbor is fondly referred to as Theia, named after the Titaness mother of the moon in Greek mythology. The stage was set for a cataclysmic event, a dance of celestial bodies that would forever change the course of our planet's history. As Theia journeyed on its cosmic path, it found itself on a collision course with our nascent Earth. The universe held its breath as the two bodies hurtled towards each other, locked in a deadly embrace by the unforgiving laws of gravity. Now picture the moment of impact. Theia, with all its mass and velocity, slammed into the young Earth. The force of this collision was unimaginable, enough to melt entire continents and vaporize oceans. This was not a slow dance, but a violent, whirling tango that sent debris flying into the void of space. In the chaos of this cosmic collision, the remnants of Theia and a part of Earth's outer layer were ejected into space. These fragments, swirling and twirling in the void, began to coalesce under their own gravity. Over time, they slowly formed a dusty ring around the Earth. This ring wasn't destined to remain a dusty belt of debris, though. Over millennia, the particles within it began to stick together, gradually forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps collided and merged, growing in size until they eventually formed a single spherical body. This celestial body, birthed from violence and chaos, began to cool and solidify. It bore the scars of its violent birth, craters and basins that we can still see when we look up at the night sky. This body, our moon, our constant companion in the cosmos, was born. In the fiery aftermath of this cosmic collision, the moon was born. Ever notice the ebb and flow of the ocean? The moon is the puppeteer behind this rhythmic dance. Our moon, that celestial body hanging in the night sky, is responsible for more than just a romantic backdrop. It plays a vital role in creating the tides on Earth. You see, the moon exerts a gravitational pull on our planet, much like the sun. But because the moon is so much closer, its effect on Earth is more pronounced. Imagine the Earth as a sphere, with the moon on one side. The moon's gravitational pull is strongest on the side of Earth closest to it, causing the ocean to bulge out slightly. This bulge is what we experience as a high tide. On the opposite side of the Earth, the moon's gravitational pull is weaker. But because the Earth itself is being pulled toward the moon, the ocean on this side also bulges out, causing another high tide. In between these two high tides, we experience low tide. This gravitational tango between Earth and Moon creates a rhythm of two high tides and two low tides each day. But it's not just about the rise and fall of the ocean. The Moon's gravitational pull also helps maintain Earth's stability. Without the Moon, the Earth could wobble on its axis, causing drastic changes in climate and making life as we know it quite difficult. So our moon is more than just a pretty face in the sky. It's a stabilizing force, a celestial dance partner, and the conductor of our oceanic symphony. Its gravitational pull choreographs the ebb and flow of our tides, creating a rhythm that has shaped life on Earth for billions of years. So the next time you're by the seaside, remember the moon's unseen hand in the dance of the tides. The moon's influence extends beyond the tides, reaching into the realm of folklore and myth. Throughout history, humans have woven tales of the moon's power, attributing curious phenomena to its celestial presence. Consider the werewolf, a creature of legend said to transform from man to beast under the glow of the full moon, or the belief that a moonlit night could stir madness in the minds of the unsuspecting. These narratives, though captivating, are steeped more in fantasy than fact. In the realm of health, the moon has been implicated in sleep patterns. An old wives' tale suggests that a full moon can disrupt a good night's rest. However, studies have shown that while some individuals may experience slight sleep disturbances during a full moon, the variance is negligible and may be attributed to other factors. Similarly, the moon's phases have been linked to fertility and menstruation in women, with some cultures believing that the lunar cycle synchronizes with the female reproductive cycle. Yet scientific evidence does not support this claim. The average menstrual cycle is 28 days, while the lunar cycle is about 29.5 days, a discrepancy that can add up over time. The moon's supposed influence on human behavior is another area ripe with myth. Tales of increased crime, accidents, and hospital admissions during a full moon abound. However, a wealth of research has found no significant correlation between these events and the lunar cycle. In truth, the moon's most notable influence lies in its gravitational pull, which drives the ebb and flow of our ocean tides. Yet its presence in our sky does more than just stir the seas. The moon's steady, predictable orbit serves as a celestial clock, marking the passage of time long before the invention of clocks. As it turns out, the moon's light doesn't quite stir madness, but the lunar cycle does have subtle effects on our world. From the tides to timekeeping, the moon's influence is undeniable, yet firmly grounded in the realm of science, not superstition. Did you know the moon serves as a cosmic shield protecting Earth from potential danger? This shimmering satellite isn't just an object of beauty in our night sky, it's also a guardian standing between us and the dangers of the cosmos. You see, the moon's gravitational pull extends far into space, forming a kind of invisible protective barrier around our planet. This barrier, much like a cosmic goalkeeper, works to deflect or slow down incoming asteroids and comets, reducing their threat to our world. Now, this doesn't mean the moon blocks every single space rock. Many still manage to slip past, but the moon's presence significantly reduces their number and impact. The moon's surface is a testament to this protective role. Have you ever wondered why the moon is so pitted and scarred? Each one of those countless craters is a record of an asteroid or comet that the moon intercepted, taking the hit so our planet didn't have to. Moreover, the moon's gravitational influence doesn't just shield us from these celestial projectiles. It also helps stabilize Earth's wobble on its axis. This lends us a more stable climate, making Earth a more hospitable place for life as we know it. Without the moon, our planet could be subject to dramatic climatic swings, with potentially devastating consequences. Take a moment to consider this. Every night when you gaze up at the moon, you're not just looking at a celestial body, you're looking at a cosmic shield that has been protecting our planet for over 4 billion years. It's a silent guardian, tirelessly working to keep us safe from the cosmic shooting gallery. So the next time you see the moon, perhaps you'll see it in a new light. Not just as a beautiful spectacle in the night sky, but as a protective shield, a guardian in the cosmos, and a key player in our planet's history and survival. Our moon, a silent guardian deflecting threats from the cosmic shooting gallery. Could the moon have played a part in the drama of life's evolution on Earth? What a fascinating question, isn't it? Let's delve a bit deeper into this. The moon's gravitational pull does more than just create tides. You see, it also has a profound influence on Earth's axial tilt. Without the moon's stabilizing presence, Earth could experience dramatic shifts in its tilt, leading to severe climate changes that could have hindered the development and diversity of life. Now imagine, if you will, a world without seasons. If the moon were not there, the Earth might not have a consistent tilt, and thus the predictable seasons we currently experience. This rhythmic change of seasons is believed to be a driving factor in the evolution of complex life forms. But that's not all. Some theories suggest that the moon's gravitational pull might have also played a role in causing tectonic activity on Earth. This tectonic activity is responsible for the Earth's unique geology, which has shaped the habitats and ecosystems in which life on Earth has evolved. The moon's influence on tides could have also played a critical role in the emergence of life from the oceans. The cyclic ebb and flow of the tides might have provided the perfect environment for the first life forms to make that monumental leap from water to land. In essence, the moon's gravitational pull might have created the ideal conditions for life to not only survive, but to thrive and diversify, leading to the wide array of species we see today. In the grand scheme of things, our nearest celestial neighbour may seem silent and unobtrusive. But it might have been subtly shaping the course of life's evolution on Earth right from its inception. Like a puppeteer pulling invisible strings, the moon may have quietly guided the dance of life on our planet. The moon, a silent player in the great theatre of life's evolution. As we look to the future, what lies in store for the relationship between Earth and its moon? Our moon, that silvery sentinel in the sky, is slowly but surely drifting away from us. At a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, it might not seem like much, but over millions of years this will have significant implications. As the moon moves away, Earth's spin will slow, lengthening our days and potentially affecting our planet's stability. The moon's gravitational pull, which currently orchestrates the ebb and flow of our tides, will lessen. This will undoubtedly alter our coastal ecosystems and may even impact our climate. But fear not, these changes are set to take place over billions of years, not within any of our lifetimes. On a more immediate horizon, our lunar neighbour presents us with a bounty of opportunities for exploration and colonization. With future missions already being planned, the moon could soon become a stepping stone for humanity's journey deeper into the cosmos. Scientists and engineers are working on ways to use the moon's resources, including water ice hidden in its darkest craters, to sustain human life and fuel spacecraft. This lunar life could pave the way for a new era of human history, one where we become a multiplanetary species. In addition, by establishing a human presence on the moon, we could gain invaluable scientific knowledge. This includes understanding more about lunar geology and the moon's effects on human physiology, which could be critical for longer duration space travel. So while the moon may be drifting away in a physical sense, our connection to it is only growing stronger. As we reach out to touch its surface once more, we're not just exploring a celestial body, we're exploring our own capacity for innovation, resilience, and curiosity. The moon, our eternal companion, continues to shape our past, present, and future. The moon, our celestial companion, has held a mirror to humanity's aspirations and dreams. From time immemorial, the moon has enchanted us, its ethereal glow a beacon in the night sky. It has been the muse of poets, the guide of mariners, and the canvas on which countless cultures have painted their myths and legends. In ancient times, the moon was the embodiment of deities. Its phases were an integral part of calendars, and its eclipses were believed to portend significant events. As we journeyed through the ages, the moon continued to inspire. It ignited the curiosity of astronomers, who meticulously charted its motions and craters. It stirred the imagination of writers who spun tales of lunar adventures and moon-dwelling civilizations. It even influenced architects who designed structures to align with its phases. But perhaps the moon's most profound influence has been in the realm of exploration. The allure of this celestial body has always been irresistible, a siren call to our inherent desire to venture into the unknown. It was this allure that spurred the space race, culminating in that momentous day in July 1969, when humanity first set foot on the lunar surface. That one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, was a testament to our ambition, our ingenuity, and our indomitable spirit. Even today, the moon continues to captivate us. We gaze at it in wonder, marveling at the beauty of its silvery light. We study it in earnest, seeking to unravel its secrets and understand its influence on our planet. We dream of it in anticipation, envisioning future lunar colonies and the dawn of a new era of space exploration. In the moon, we see more than just a celestial object. We see a symbol of our quest for knowledge, our thirst for adventure, our drive to push beyond the confines of our world. We see a testament to our past, a guide for our present, and a promise for our future. In the moon, we see a reflection of our own journey, ever evolving, ever inspiring. So, our humble moon, it seems, is not so humble after all. This celestial body, often overlooked in favor of its more glamorous stellar peers, plays a pivotal role in our existence, from the tides that lap our shores to the evolution of life itself. Born from a cataclysmic event, the moon was shaped by a violent past. This event, known as the Giant Impact Hypothesis, suggests our moon was formed from the debris of a collision between a young Earth and a Mars-sized body. This dramatic beginning set the stage for the moon to become a key player in Earth's story. The moon's gravitational pull creates the tides, those rhythmic rises and falls of the ocean that have shaped our planet's coastlines for billions of years. But the moon's influence extends beyond the physical. It's been suggested it plays a role in human behavior, a concept known as the Lunar Effect, though this remains a topic of debate among scientists. Perhaps one of the most striking influences of the moon is its role in life's evolution. The moon's gravitational pull not only stirs our oceans, but also stabilizes Earth's tilt, creating a climate suitable for life to thrive. Without our moon, Earth could be a very different, perhaps inhospitable place. Looking ahead, the moon continues to intrigue and inspire us. With ongoing exploration, we seek to unravel its mysteries and in doing so, learn more about our own planet. Our moon serves as a stepping stone into the cosmos, a nearby world for us to study and explore as we reach for the stars. As we continue to unravel the moon's mysteries, we deepen our understanding of our own place in the cosmos. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, serves as a reminder of our past, a guide for our present, and a beacon for our future exploration. So let's keep looking up, and let's keep exploring. After all, there's a whole universe out there waiting to be discovered.